Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you doing well. I'm also very good, guys. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about 3 methods that will help you to improve your communication skills. Okay, so if you are someone who wants to improve your communication skills but you have a problem that you didn't have anyone to practice with in English, you follow every strategy, like you are doing listening practice, you are doing writing practice, you are learning vocabulary, you are improving your pronunciation. But the problem is that when it comes to speaking, your mind goes blank. You became nervous, like you are not able to express your thoughts in front of anyone, in front of your family, in front of friends, in fact in front of camera. Okay, so in this situation, this method will help you to improve your confidence and improve your thinking, like directly started thinking in English. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first method is shisha method. Now you are thinking, what does it mean? Let me explain you guys. Suppose that if I'm talking about myself, so right now I'm in the kitchen. Okay, so whatever I'm looking, I'm gonna describe it. Just try to got my point. Okay, so I have these potatoes and I have to peel it off for making sabji. Okay, another thing is that there is a gas stove, there is a lots of utensils, and there is a RO also, and there is a charge fan, there is a lots of container in which a lots of things I kept there. Okay, there is a gas cylinder, and there is a soil pot also, and there is a broom. In this way you have to describe everything. So if you are doing like this activity, so your mind will automatically start thinking in English, and it will help you to improve your communication skills. But remember one thing, whatever you are looking at your eyes, just try to describe out loud. Yes, when you will speak out loud, at the same time you are speaking, and as well as your mind will also thinking, like you are doing both activities at the same time. Okay, so now we are going to talk about second method, that is 333 method. Now you are thinking, what is 333 method? Okay, so I'm gonna explain you what is 333 method. That there is a 3 question you have to ask yourself, like whenever you are doing speaking practice, so at the same time you have to ask yourself, what are you doing right now, and what are you doing right now, and what will you do next, and how do you feel right now. When you ask yourself 3 questions, so you will learn how to give answer to yourself. Like question is that, what are you doing right now? Listen to me carefully. Okay, so first question is that, what are you doing right now? So if I'm talking about myself, so right now I am making my blog. I'm doing my English practice. Another thing, I'm just chopping vegetable. I'm chopping vegetable because I have to make sabji and all that. Okay, this is the first answer of the first question. Okay, the second thing is that, what will you do next? Then after what will you do next? Then after that I will kneading the dough, and I will making chapatis, and then I'll give bath my baby, I will wash my utensils, I will do my all household chores. I have a lots of work, and then I will do after recording my video. Okay, the third question is that, how do you feel right now? How do you feel right now? Like in last question, you have to tell your feelings, about talking about your feelings. If I'm talking about myself, so right now I'm feeling so blessed because right now I'm speaking in front of the camera. I'm speaking in front of my husband in English, in English. Can you believe it? Because at that time I am not able to speak even a single word in front of a camera, and right now I am able to speak at least 8 to 10 minutes in front of the camera. Like I am able to describe my thoughts. That is my feeling, and I feel so happy while recording my videos. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about 3 methods that will help you to improve your vocabulary and as well as your pronunciation, I can say that. The method name is word hunting. Yes, word hunting. Like here is a sentence, the food is tasty, right? The food is tasty, and now what you have to do, you have to speak the same sentence in another way. Like the food is tasty. Now you can see that the food is delicious. The food taste is flavorful. You know, if you will speak like this, then the way of speaking, the way of thinking is automatically changed. It will enhance your speaking way. Am I right? The way you can see that the food is yummy. The food taste is mouth watering. So if you will follow all this method to improve your English, so you don't need to follow any kind of method. This single method is enough for you. Yes, this single method is enough for you to start thinking directly in English. It's a very effective method. I'm also doing in daily basis. I'm not saying I'm very fluent in this language. No, still I'm learning. But whatever I am today, whatever I'm speaking today, with the help of these 3 methods. So this will very effective method. If you will follow then you don't need anyone to practice with. Okay, you don't need anyone. Actually, you don't need any kind of environment. You don't need any person. You just follow these 3 methods and you will automatically improve on daily basis. But there is one thing you have to do on daily basis. So I hope you got it my all point what I want to say in this video. What I want to say in this video is, if you found helpful this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.